Hey guys, welcome to my channel Smart Swarya. I am Aditya. I hope that you all are staying safe in your home. In today's video, I will tell you about JEE Mains examination, which is joint entrance examination. In this video, I will tell you the syllabus pattern, eligibility criteria, and finally, I will tell you the qualifying cutoff of this exam. I am planning to create a playlist on exams, and in this playlist, I will tell you in detail about the entrance examinations that you can give right after completing your 12th grade. Do watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. There are 3 JEE Mains paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3. Paper 1 is for engineering stream, paper 2 is for architecture stream, and the paper 3 is for deep planning. Now let's discuss about paper 1. JEE Mains is conducted by National Testing Agency. The duration of this exam is 3 hours. The mode of the exam is computer-based test. The exam is conducted in 3 languages, English, Hindi and Gujarati. The exam is conducted twice a year during January and April. You can give either one exam or both the exams during January and April. If you give both the exams, the best score of these both exams will be taken as the final score. For example, let's say you get 70% in your January attempts and you get 90% in your April attempts, then the best score 90% will be taken as the finalized score. The best thing is to attempt both the exams during January and April, because if a candidate fails to perform well in one exam, then he can perform well in the another attempt, which is the second attempt during April. Now let us see the eligibility criteria for giving JEE Mains exam. The first criteria is nationality. Both Indians and foreigners can give this exam. The second criteria is age. There is no age limit for this exam. The third criteria is marks. If you are from general category, then you must get at least 75% in your 12th board exams, or you should be in the top 80% in your board exams. If you are from reserved category, then you should get at least 65% in your 12th board exam. Now let us discuss about the paper pattern. There are 25 questions in each section. There are 3 sections, physics, chemistry and maths. 20 questions are like MCQ type, which is multiple choice question, and the other 5 questions is numerical type. So there are 60 MCQ type and 15 numerical type questions. So there are total 75 questions. Now let us see the marking scheme. If you write the right answer, then you will get +4. If you write the wrong answer, then 1 mark will be deducted. If you don't answer a question, no mark will be deducted or given. Now let us discuss about the qualifying cutoff. In 2019, the qualifying cutoff for general category was 89 percentile, and for general EWS it was 78 percentile, and for OBC it was 74 percentile, and for SC/ST it was 54 percentile. The cutoff varies from year to year. The cutoff is determined by NTA by the number of students appearing for exam and the availability of seats. JEE Mains is one of the most difficult entrance examination in the world. If you are an engineering aspirant, then you should give JEE Mains. To get into IITs, NITs, IIITs, you should give JEE Mains. To get into IIT, you need to clear JEE Advanced. To get into NITs and IIITs, you should get a good rank in JEE Mains. You should get below 20,000 rank in JEE Mains to get into NITs and IIITs. So if you are planning to pursue engineering in your future, then you should give JEE Mains. Now let us discuss about JEE Mains paper 2. JEE Mains paper 2 is given by students who want to become architect in their future. JEE Mains paper 2 is same as JEE Mains paper 1. The duration of this exam is 3 hours. This exam is conducted in 3 languages, English, Hindi and Gujarati. But the section varies. The 3 sections are mathematics, aptitude and drawing. There are 25 questions in mathematics, 50 questions in aptitude and 2 questions in drawing. Now let us discuss about JEE Mains paper 3. JEE Mains paper 3 is given by students who want to pursue deep planning in their graduation. This JEE Mains paper 3 is Same as JEE Mains Paper 1. The duration of this exam is 3 hours. This exam is conducted in 3 languages, English, Hindi and Gujarati. But the section varies. The 3 sections are Mathematics, Aptitude and Planning. There are 25 questions in Mathematics, 50 questions in Aptitude and 25 questions in Planning. That's it for today's video, guys. Like I said to you before, I am making a series on exams. This is the first video for the exam series. In this series, I will explain you in detail about the various entrance examinations that you can give right after completing your 12th grade. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I upload new videos. If you have any questions to ask me, drop in the comment section. Have a good day. Until the next time, from Aditya, see you.